I've got my cuckoo clock in the background there. I think that's it. It was alright. I had to put a bracket under it so it don't fall, because the person on Facebook group, the Nightmare Before Christmas group, they said that be careful because it's heavy, so I put a bracket under it, and it's alright. I love it. It's expensive, but it's worth it. And the next one, I've put the picture at the end. I was going to show it, but I didn't want it because it's delicate. It's the lamp, Nightmare Before Christmas lamp. Still paying for that. Monthly, you can pay that. Then for my birthday, I'm going to get a cookie jar. And Bradford Exchange rung me up to say that they had a new one that come in. So that will be coming to me. Got to stop buying. Right, now as you can see, the title is IKEA and Ideas, and a few things I got from the charity shop. Because the charity shop by me, well, the one down there where I do voluntary, is closing today. And they were selling everything for 3 for £1, 4 for £1. So I got some DVD. Don't laugh at them. I listen to any kind of music, so I'm just going to show you. I like him because he sings some nice songs. Yes, Michael Ball. I like Aspects of Love. Love Change Everything. To me, he's a good singer. Hello, same like you. And Robbie Williams. I never rate his singing much. I like, is it Gary Barlow? I think he's the better singer. And this one is George Ezra. There's a couple of songs I like. I just like the lyrics to some of them. And this one is Coldplay. I've got to get my CD back again, because when I had my phone before I left it, I had a load of music on there, and because I did self-employed and I had a web name, domain name, and Apple can't recognize it, so I had to create a new email address, and I had to get the music that I had on that. I don't want to buy it again because it was some years I had it, and it was about, I think about nearly 10 years, and I've been buying, so I don't want to buy because there was expensive albums and that. So I'm just going to look in charity shop and get some of the albums and that. But Halloween, you can't be without Halloween music. It's got the Thriller and the Monster Munch and that. It's quite good. I play, sometimes I play it even if it's not Halloween. And Marion Mansell. That one I had already. And this one's him. He's quite good. He's similar to the Rasmus, he's a Finland group. And of course I had to have my favourite Rasmus. I like Darren Hayes as well, so I've got to get some of his. And I got this because they know I like spooky stuff, and they kept it for me. It's like a kid's stuff, but what I'm going to do is paint it black and white and hang it on my tree for Christmas. It was from Hobby Craft, and it's one of those that you can paint your own colour, so it's got different colours. I think some of the colours in there dried up, but I've got acrylic paint, so I'll put it black and white, and hang it on the tree or decoration. Now yesterday, because I'm decorating my flat, I'm changing around. Well, some of you might see on Instagram and Facebook, I put a red TV unit. I was going to get it, but I changed my mind. I'm going to get a white unit because I got my coffee table. I got that yesterday, and the telly's on a coffee table that I'm going to sell, which is black. It's I'm going to go up IKEA and get it, and my partner's going to put it together and have that. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to paint the flat black, ceiling black, and then I'm going to have a TV unit white, coffee table white, white lamp, black rug, and a white throw, just to break up the colours. At the end of it, at the end of the video, I'll put the pictures and you can see. But I'll show you these I got for 10 pence. I got them in that shop. They was closing down the sale of the shop. I don't know if it's come out back to front here. And it's store 21. And I got these. I'll put the pictures up so you can see them a bit. And these will be good for Halloween. I got these, 10p they were, all different colours, and I got the boots, and I got 3 different colours, so that can hang or sit on a shelf for Halloween, and then I'll leave it right through until Christmas. and I got 3 of these big ones as well that can hang as well. So I got that. They're quite nice colours on that one. So I got 3 of them. And she only, I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and she only charged me 60 pence. Unless she made a mistake or anything. Yes, so I've got those. And yeah, now, as the title says, IKEA ideas. IKEA, I like shopping in IKEA because sometimes it can be a pain. And if you get the stuff, and say like if you get plates or cups and you want to go back and get it, say you get a plate and you broke it and you want to go back and get it, they can discontinue and it's hard to get. So that's the reason I like IKEA, because if you buy something like the coffee table, you couldn't get that unless you go on Spock to get it, because it's a coffee table on casters, so you can roll it about in the drawer. And if you get it and you get rid of it and you think, oh, I want to get it back again, and you go to IKEA, it's discontinued, because there's a few things I wanted are discontinued. So that's one good thing about IKEA, but sometimes it can be a pain. And ideas, I get my ideas, I don't know, some people say you copy people, but I think that's how everybody get ideas from. I watch telly, like if I like Doctors, I don't like Coronation Street, so I'm not into that, but Doctors, because it's film all around Birmingham. I like to get me ideas from things like that, have a look. And Suki, and I get my ideas from there, and then when I walk the dog, I go past people's house, I look and I think, oh yeah, that'd be alright. But I got to remember I'm in a flat, not in a house, and I try to get stuff that can't go in a flat, like that TV unit. You can get the shelf to go on the above the TV, but in a flat you can't, because they just build a flat so quick, and they put the, I'm just watching the cat. Suki. Every time I'm doing a video, she's always, and flats, they just throw them up, people say, and they put the barrier, and then you see the I don't know what they call it, the stuff that goes around, like, is it foundation? Because like where I'm sitting here now, facing me, they're going to build flats, because I can see Bristol Street Motors, because the other side is Pershore Road and this is Bristol Street. And they're building new flats, because St Luke Church, they knock it down and they're building flats and houses, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom flats. 3-bedroom flats, 4-bedroom houses, or is it 2-bedroom flats? And they're building them up, and you look at it, and then you get up next morning, you see they got the foundation, the structure up, is it what they call all the stuff? And then you get up the next day and you see all the stuff out there, and they're putting signs up for people to rent. So it can't be strong to put things on your wall. It's like the cuckoo clock. I had to make sure it was bracketed and put there's nails. And I see magazines, Pinterest, or if I watch YouTubes, I see people and I think, oh, that was a good idea, and then I try to mix and match it, and that's how I get my ideas. But I think I've got to stop now. Once I get the flat done up and everything, that's it, because keep changing, and then you're looking for things and then change. Because I have this bad idea of looking at something, get something, I buy it, and then I think, oh no, then I sell it and then buy something else, and then the stuff that I had before, I look for it again. So a bit balmy, I think, but that's how you get your flat in it. You just change around till you get the right, how you like it, the right idea, the right, what you call it, the right, how you're happy with it, the right construction or things, as they call it. I'm not right today because I got hay fever, and as soon as the sun come out, I suffer from hay fever. And people say, well, it's not summer yet, but it's yeah, I'll get bad with hay fever. And I don't know if anybody know, March the 7th, there'll be the Midnight Howl. I think I've got her name right. She'll be coming to Birmingham, and that'd be exciting. That'd be great. I'll be going there. I think she'll be at New Street Station, but I'm just keeping my eye out. That'd be good to meet all people from YouTube and social media, so that'd be great. And that's it. So my flat is getting there slowly, hopefully doing the kitchen. I'm getting that. At the end of the video I'll show you what I mean. It's the IKEA have funny names for things. I think it's the last TV. It's white and you can pull the drawers and hide your, because I haven't got a DVD, I've just got a what they call it, CD player and radio, and you can put that in. And if you got Xbox, I might get an Xbox or a PlayStation and put that, you can hide it away, so when people come they can't see anything, it's just blank, so it just looks like a straight box with drawers until you pull it down, and the drawers got like racks, so you can put your DVD and your CD, so that'll be good for when I start buying me CDs. And I thought, yeah, that'd be good. I had a black one, I sold that for 50, so I put the money away to put towards the one I'm going to get IKEA, because I'm going to sell my coffee table, the black one, because I've got a white one. I got the white one yesterday. I think we went all the way to Lichfield to get that. 40 quid. And I'm going to go up to IKEA and get that one. So I'm selling my red unit from the craft room, because I'm going to get a white one and sell that one. And then the money that I get from when I sell it, I just put it together and get the stuff. That's how I do it. I sell one, then buy the other. And when I'm fed up, I sell something else and buy the other. So that's how I do it. But yeah, and my curtains, I'm thinking I'm going to dye them black, because I've got purple. And the other one's like grey colour. I might get some white curtains, I don't know yet, I'll see. Yes, and as you can see the t-shirt, yes, I got that from Killstar. I think I like this one. I wanted a cardigan, but that sold out, and it's the back, so I thought, yeah, that's nice, I'll get some at my age, getting Killstar stuff. Because I was, it was a funny thing, I'll tell you. I do voluntary. The way I do voluntary is for homeless people, and we just make them a lunch, have a chat with them and try and find out why they're on the streets and that. And I was talking to this chap, and I said, how did you come about being homeless? And he said he was in the army, and circumstances, he broke up with his wife, and he ended up on the streets. He said he was broke up with his wife, he got kicked out, and he ended up on the streets. And I was talking to him, and this lady come up to me. She said, Angela, can I have a word? I said, yeah. She said, you don't dress like a 50-year-old. And before I could say anything, the man said, well, what does a 50-year-old dress like? He said, can you tell me what a 50 dress like? He said, like Miss Marple. He said, people should dress how they like. She said, no, I'm just saying. She said, you don't dress like a 50-year-old. You dress young, so that's why people can't tell your age. And the man said to her, he said, well, people should dress how they like, which is true. Dress how you like. Because I've got some boots. Sometimes I wear them, they're alright. They're quite heavy, but I think my legs, they're very thin. Sometimes when I walk, it's get aching because I walk far with the dog and everything. But I'm getting used to wearing them. And she said, well, look at the boots you wear and the clothes you wear. You don't dress like a 50. That's what she keeps saying. You don't dress like a 50-year-old. You don't dress. And I thought, well, like he said, what does a 50-year-old dress like? You can say these young kids today, they don't dress like young kids. What does a young teenager dress like? Everybody have different the way they dress. So I just dress how I feel comfortable and happy. I like dressing like these, and I like wearing different clothes and unusual. I don't like to be with everybody crowd. Everybody say 50-year-olds should dress in dark clothes, suit, like a skirt and a jacket, like a suit dress. I just like to wear a t-shirt or a dress with all them skeletons and bats and everything. So that's how I like dressing. So that's it. So I'm just looking if that cuckoo clock is gonna. Oh yes, I'll wait till it chimes. You can watch it chime. It's quite good. The lights come up on it. I think I did put it on Instagram and I had it on YouTube, but it's quite. It pops out. 0 pops out, and then the lights go. I'll leave it on, and it's. I like it. It's quite good. I was gonna get the monster. I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I got this one. So yep. So I thought they was both gonna go off, the bottle and the clock. But yes, so that's it. That's me rambling. So a few bits I got from the charity shop. Shame it's closing, because I used to go past there and pop in, and they got to know me, and they used to keep t-shirts for me and stuff like that. Because they said to me always, I said no, I can find things to do, because I can DIY, I can do that. And then Christmas I can put it on the tree, because I'm going to get a black tree. Been looking for a black tree, and Just looking up, there's a load of caravan coming up. Oh, the caravan, I hope we're not getting gypsies coming up here. But a posh caravan, so. Because where I sit, I can see the traffic and I can see people walking up, so that's why sometimes you see I'm looking, you can see the traffic. And but it is a nice view when you sit here, you can look out. I like it because I think I'm nosy. So I'm just waiting for the clock. It should, when you're waiting for somebody, it takes hours, and so I'll have a drink. Should be going in soon. I can find so much to talk about. It's like when you see them newsreader and they're waiting for something to happen and it takes ages to happen. But yeah, so that's my next video, I don't know. So that's the ideas I get, like IKEA, I like IKEA, and like I said, I go walk around, I look, and I think, oh, that looks good, and then I try it, and sometimes it don't work, sometimes it does work. And I like going car boot, getting bits and pieces there, and once I get my craft room sorted, I'll be making stuff, painting stuff, because I've got a couple of skulls that add red roses and I paint them black. And him, I just left him. I might try and paint him a different colour. Might try and get the band white or something. And yep, so that's what I'll be doing. Because for him, I'm looking for a telephone. I don't know if you remember them old type telephones we used to have, when you used to get a telephone and they used to give you. I'm looking for one of them, and I'm going to put it on his hand, like he's handing out the telephone. I think that would be good, instead of him having the tray. Or might get a skull and put a head in there. I'm waiting for the clock. Taking his time, innit? I know it's peeping down there. Yes, it should be going in a minute. Silence. You can tell when it's gonna go. He pops up and waiting for the big finale. It's good, isn't it? Everything's gone quiet. Even the bottle's quiet. I think he's waiting for the clock as well. Oh, my nose. That's it. There we are. That's it. There's a song, I won't say the word because I know I might get banned from here. But there's Nightmare Before Christmas song, and I love that one. I do. I wish it was a ringtone for it. And because it says what's this, but he says it the F word, and he says shit this and hef this, and I think that's good. If you go on YouTube and put Nightmare Before Christmas F this, I think I share it on my Facebook. You can see it. But yeah, so that's for now, and then the next video I'll show you when I get that cabinet. I'll take a picture and put it on Instagram and Facebook, and I might film IKEA. I don't know, because I don't know if they allow you to do it. I might do that. But March, as you know, March the 23rd, I'll be doing a Comic Con. That I will film, because there's a lady working there, and she said she might be able to get me to some of the famous people. I don't know who's going there. I think the person from Supernatural, and she said if I want, she could get some stuff signed for me. I'd like to take a picture with them, so we'll see. So that's me for now, and that's it now. So I'll be off now and try and see what else I can see on Spock, and I'll see you. Cheers, guys.